Skyroof now.
What's up, my folks? Just wanted to share a bit of what's been going on in my life lately. First of all, my mate had an issue with his car. He gave me a call, and of course, I went all up. Bit of wrenching, bit of grease, and we got it working. Ale to był dopiero początek. It was just beginning. Po wszystkim postanowiłem w końcu rozprawić się z moim starym karawanem. How I started? As always, the recycle center.
Yes, my folks. So that is my favorite place to spend time, you know? Time of work. Yes, recycle center.
The caravan had been sitting here forever. It was time to get rid of it. Zadzwoniłem, żeby sprawdzić, ile kosztuje recycling. I made the phone call, you know? Guess how much would cost to get rid of the caravan. Usłyszałem £650. And they told me no less than that. Pomyślałem, no thanks, I do it myself. I tak się zaczęło. Śrubokręty, screwdrivers, młotki, hammers, szlifierka, grinders and my favorite weapon I've got in my hand.
Niesie, kurwa, niesie ją. Escape room. Nice. Amelinium. Dużo amelinium. Ale dzięki amelinium.
Dzień po dniu, kawałek po kawałku, rozebrałem wszystko na części. Day after day, piece by piece, I took the whole thing apart. For free. Just with my own hands. I właśnie to zobaczycie w tym filmie. Again, folks, that's exactly what you're going to see in that video. So, let's go.
Hello! Escape room! Jednak mami nie będę skakał. Przemyślałem sytuację. Stwierdzam, że i tak za dużo się tu dzieje.
Ty, tam ja sobie przyczepę wiesz, to ty będziesz miał przyczepkę.
No tak!
Ty, ale to nie jest głupi pomysł.
Lawetkę mam i przyczepkę. Może plandekę zrobimy i będziemy mieli przyczepkę jak z ciężarówki.
Nie, ty tam nie możesz.
Idź ta do środka, bo to może runąć na głowę. Mami! That's the opening for that. Masz sword. Dziękuję. No. Spałeś mam. Bawi uczy. Electrical saw.
Don't know how you say we're taking on water, you're always sinking. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries as we'll fall down.
O Maryjo, pomocy.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going
Hello.
down.
Getting there, isn't it? No, yeah, a little bit. I'll be alright, don't worry. I don't think you will. But obviously, if I think if anything gonna fall, I ask you to. Okay? Thank you.
Take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you go. Let's take it.
Those are three my forks. I have got stuck a little bit. Nearly there.
There are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And now we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody alright that choose. Let's take it slow.
Skyroof now.
Thanks for watching the first episode of my mini vlog. Don't waste it, just go for the next one straight away.